A bucket is a web page in your client portal that can only be accessed by users you have invited. Buckets are divided into 3 sections, one for listing files, one for comments, and one for a description of the bucket. To create a bucket, click the Buckets tab and click the Create a Bucket button above the bucket list. Enter a title and description in the bucket form and click Save. This will send you to the Select Users page. At this point, the bucket has been created. Here you can optionally add users to the bucket by clicking their names in the user list on the left side. To add a file to the bucket, click the Add a Link or File button under Bucket Assets to select a file on your computer and upload it to the bucket. Admin users can also add resources to the bucket by clicking the Add a Link or File button under Resources to open the Resources pop-up. If you want to add a resource that has already been uploaded to your portal, just select it from the list in the pop-up. If you need to upload a new resource, click the Add New Resource tab in the Resource pop-up. Upload the file and click the Select Resources tab in the pop-up to select the new file. To add a comment, click the Add a New Comment button next to the Discussion section at the bottom of the page. To edit a bucket description, click the Edit Bucket button in the Bucket Details box. This will send you to the same form you used to create the bucket. Edit the title and description, and click Save. To add or remove users from a bucket, click the Edit Bucket Users button in the Bucket Details box. This will send you back to the Select Users page you used when you created the bucket. Clicking a user in the user list on the left will add a user. Clicking a user in the Bucket Users list on the right will remove the user. To delete buckets, go to the Buckets tab and view your bucket list. Click the checkbox for the buckets you want to delete, and click the Delete Buckets button at the bottom left of the list. Anytime a user uploads a file, writes a comment, or edits the bucket, an email notice will be sent out to all of the users of the bucket. If you do not want to receive email updates for a particular bucket, uncheck the Email Updates box just under Bucket Details.